अच्छा, स्टार्ट करते हैं, शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी बकचोदी के. You already know me and Abhiram from last episode. This is the second episode. Welcome to Matchday Bhujdi Wale. And I'm Shaurya, this is Abhiram. And we have a guest joining us today, Dibya Jyoti Bhaiya. Dibbo Bhaiya, एक बार अपना introduce.
So, yeah, coming to technicalities, I mean, my passing year was 2022. Baki, I'm a Madrid fan, which is a bit of a tough year this year. But yeah, I've been a fan since like hardcore since 2009. Um, People say it's a bit because Ronaldo coming, probably yes, but yeah. So when I started watching Real Madrid, those years were also not very happy to say. Those were also some years when Barca basically completely dominated us till like the decima. There have been good years after that, so that's the reason I'm not getting very upset right at the onset of it, because like it's been a good decade for us. I think it's gonna be a few tough years coming ahead, but yeah.
Definitely, and we can see that currently as well. So, agenda for today is, yeah, of course, we have a United fan, we have a Barca fan, we have a Real fan, quite a lot of diversity. All of us have played take the matches पिछले past week में or so. So we're gonna dive right in analyzing the past week, जो that all the drama that has entailed. And yeah, it's been good for me, but it's been heartbreak for both of these. uh, let's go. So you can just join my stream and can you see my stream?
Yep,
Yep.
your stream's on.
So getting into Barca because that was the first second leg that happened. What
What am I?
what are your thoughts on Barca? You know, इतना ज़्यादा dramatic match हो गया 4-3 मतलब for a fucking neutral, you know, best match I have seen in a while. Abhiram, Barca heartbreak. What more do you have to say?
Well, I can't say anything further than I thank Hansi Flick for whatever he's done this season, but I think maybe we should have closed the game a bit better. But यही है कि like मुझे लग रहा था कि even when we were 2-0 down ऐसे नहीं लग रहा था कि like we were playing really bad and हम ये बहुत बुरी तरह से हारने वाले हैं like over the years what we witnessed.
Yeah.
But हम like खेले जो like second half में and how we came back, it was all like very surreal as well because हम इस season बहुत सारे comebacks किए लेकिन Inter के against 3-2 at their stadium at the death, like it was all like too much of a dream. 87 minute में भी जब Rafinha मारा, I was like this does not feel real. Like
Yeah.
thing is ये अगर home leg पे होता है and it was like the PSG 6-1 leg, maybe
Yeah.
वो थोड़ा ठीक था, but ये 4-3 3-2 away from home, पता नहीं कहीं ना कहीं will we or won't we kind of situation. And ending में what happened, like yeah,
Fuck.
I guess
I remember अभिराम जब डैनी ओल्मो का गोल पड़ा था मेरे को याद है 60th मिनट पे अभिराम का मैसेज आया मैंने स्टार करके रखा है ग्रुप में ही गोज आई विल सक ऑफ एवरी पर्सन इन म्यूनिक ट्वाइस when I meet my Barca fans over there in the final.
Oh my god.
I think it was after 3-2.
3-2 Rafinha वाला गोल.
रफीनिया वाले गोल के
I was
बाद आई
I was
थिंक
hoping for them to hold on, like बस ये 7 या 8 मिनट जो भी है बस just defend
ऑल्मो
this
वाले
with your
गोल
lives
पे आई
and
थिंक अभिराम वाज रेडी टू सक ऑफ जस्ट ऑल्मो. बाकी उसके बाद it was like, अब
no,
तो
I
पूरी
was
बारसा टीम में.
by the time almost scored, I was
Yeah.
ready for Gerard Martin. Like what a game! Like मुझे लग रहा था like I was against him starting from the beginning of the season. Like मुझे जब भी इसको देखूं मुझे लग I like this is not a Barca player. This can't be a Barca player. The way he ran, the way he passes, the way he I just वो feeling ही नहीं आती है उसको देख के. But I salute Gerard Martin. Like he
What a
played with
cross
all
भाई.
his heart. Like he played with all his heart. Like उसमें उतना है नहीं talent शायद, लेकिन उसने जितना दिया उस दिन I guess he proved me wrong and a lot of Barca fans wrong as well. But especially दिखाया कि talent ना हो फिर भी you can be at the top level.
At the
If
top.
you if you really
जेरार्ड मार्टिन की बहुत प्यारा असिस्ट था या उसकी बहुत प्यारा क्रॉस था यार वो, that Rafinha
Second
attack or
goal.
Lamine attack, बहुत प्यारा to come from a centre back, that those kind of crosses is just very proud to see.
I think second goal पे ही
But
था ना जो I think Olmo का header था.
हाँ दोनों
हाँ,
assist
Yeah,
उसके
yeah,
हाँ दोनों
दोनों
assist
दोनों असिस्ट in fact जेरार्ड
yeah,
मार्टिन.
yeah.
यार heartbreak.
But
I
then
mean
again,
to
he I think even with that, at the end he'll be remembered for the Dumfries tackle जो वो गिर गया.
to be really honest मुझे अभी भी लगता है वो फाउल है बट of course
Uh,
ये कंप्लेंट ही होगा ये एक्सक्यूज ही
हाँ, I
होगा
think
बट
the
मुझे अभी भी लगता है वो फाउल है क्योंकि देयर विल बी क्लिप्स लाइक स्लो में अभी
slow
अभी भी
में
आप
you
ढूंढ
know
लो
everything. But I feel उसमें like he was not going to reach the ball. So it was more, if you see, it was more like Gerard Martin tackling on Dumfries than Dumfries tackling on Gerard Martin. Because
yeah
अगर if you see from the ball's perspective, Gerard Martin comes from behind. Like Dumfries का पैर already सामने चला गया था.
हाँ वो पॉइंट यही है कि जेरार्ड मार्टिन कंट्रोल्स
हाँ
द
वही
बॉल
तो I
मूविंग
think
टुवर्ड्स द बॉल एंड देन वो
hmm
ट्रिप हो गया क्योंकि डम्फ्रीज का लेग था वहां पे आई मीन इट्स
हाँ I
डिबेटेबल
think since
इसको
the
ये
referee
फुटबॉल में एवरीथिंग इवन्स आउट, आई थिंक
yep.
न्यूट्रलाइज हो जाता है, इतने सब कुछ डिसीजंस होते हैं एंड दैट्स ऑल वी कैन आर्ग्यू एज अ फैन. बट दिस इज अ टिपिकल बारसा फैन.
If you're a Barcelona fan, this is for you. I know how tough it's been for the last 10 years. I know how badly we wanted the Champions League. I know how badly we lost to Liverpool 4-0, Roma 3-0, Bayern 8-2, gone to the Europa League, lost to PSG after that red card. I've seen everything. And today we lost again. Even though I'm absolutely shattered, I'm proud of this team. There's one thing to lose and there's another thing to lose after giving it your all. And
I think that's what you said. You gave it your all. अब उसके अलावा I don't think a team can do enough more than that. But from an Inter's perspective, this is Inter. This is Milano.
Why if they lose it again, it's gonna be heartbreaking for them.
क्या?
If they lose it again, it's gonna be heartbreaking for them, for Inter. Like they lost it against City,
Inter.
which yeah, which I believe they
But
should have won that one as well. फिर रियल के अगेंस्ट एक बार then अब अगर फिर से तो
नहीं शायद लेकिन पोएटिक है कि लाइक if you want to give a Champions League to a soulless club like City जैसा I'm not saying soulless no disrespect but in the sense that
we are soulless, don't worry.
बट ऐसे लाइक सिटी या पीएसजी जैसे लाइक मनी क्लब्स ऐसे ऑयल क्लब्स को लाइक चैंपियंस लीग देना शायद इंटर ओनली कैन डू दैट
oh my
They
god.
can do that.
यार
Inside
बाय द वे
banks, but
द बारसा वाला रील ना मुझे लगा ये कोई पैरोडी होगा एंड में वो बोलेगा कि वी वेटेड फॉर 10 years नाउ इट्स 11 years.
this is the tackle, I think, that we were talking about.
Yep.
Very debatable. Very debatable.
The thing is कि if the referee doesn't see anything in that, the VAR doesn't have like something very conclusive to rule it out, right?
True. By the way, I mean, there's little we can do as a fan, but yeah, I mean, it did give as a neutral, it gave me enough content and enough enjoyment watching both the legs, even just not one leg. Pehla leg 3-3, second leg 3-3, and then extra time में 4-3. Stuff of dreams for a neutral, to be honest, and stuff of dreams for the whole Inter side to manage that. And against, by the way, against playing against peak Barca team we have seen for years. Inter, as a, we don't talk about Inter enough, but what they've been
Yep.
doing apni league mein and in Champions League for the past 5 years is really commendable. To have that kind of a determination going on, going into Champions League as dogs.
Barca lost this one a
Anyways,
bit on like experience, to be honest. I think
yeah.
at that point you would expect a team to close that match out. So
You would. You
yeah, there were. I think after the match there were a lot of. I think even Thierry Henry in the CBS show pointed it out, like a bit. I mean, Yamal. Yeah, he's great. He's great. He I think he went for the fourth right in the in within the 90 minutes. But yeah, I think it was better running down the clock at that point. I think
yeah.
that's
Well,
something I think Yamal will only get better from here, so he'll run.
oh, Lamine Yamal stuff, man of he's the stuff of dreams, by the way. But we'll come back to him. For now, the second match of the second leg, we don't have any Arsenal fan with us. We tried Sunny हमें join करे, but we'll get him soon on the next episode. But Arsenal PSG, the 30 match after watching Inter Barca, but मतलब सच बताऊं तो लग रहा था कहीं ना कहीं
No,
आर्सेनल
bro,
कम बैक करेगी
they were better for 160 minutes. Come on.
they were better for 160 minutes. बंदा टाइम करता है बैठ के अभी तो हार्ट अटैक की गांड मारेंगे बट 2-1 आई मीन
20
1-0
मिनट के लिए
they
वो
were
मूतने गया था, तभी 2 गोल खा गया वो.
यार मतलब ये तो एक्सपीरियंस की बात थी कि आर्सेनल डिडंट इवन प्ले फॉर मी एज अ टीम प्लेइंग इन द सेमीफाइनल्स ऑफ अ चैंपियंस लीग कहीं वो इंस्पिरेशन दिखी नहीं एक्सेप्ट फॉर आर्टेटा के प्री मैच वीडियोस व्हाट डू यू थिंक
No, I think Arsenal didn't play bad. A lot of it is to do with Donnarumma as well. उसने काफ़ी फार सेव्स किए थे, काफ़ी लाइक आई थिंक साका के तो फिर
या
या मार्टिनेली का एक. So I think Arsenal were attacking. The thing is with Champions League matches, if you don't take the chances when they are presented to you, you rarely
या
win, right? So
That is true. Abhiram, did you watch the match? I'm
Yeah, I
assuming.
did. I mean, मुझे एक पॉइंट पे ऐसे लग रहा था कि आर्सेनल जस्ट नॉट एट द लेवल दे आर सपोज्ड टू बिकॉज उनको नया है चैंपियंस लीग सेमीफाइनल मतलब इट्स अ न्यू थिंग फॉर देम इवन लाइक आर्टेटा भी लाइक पहली बार है सो फर्स्ट लेग में जो मिस्टेक्स किए कि लाइक नॉट टेकिंग द चांसेस थोड़ा रनर को छोड़ देना वही कर रहे थे यहाँ पे भी एंड आई गेस within first 4 minutes ऐसे like Martinelli had good shots and like Donnarumma
Yeah.
बहुत saves कर रहा था and then एक post hit हुआ but also like luck भी थोड़ा सा factor होता है in big games में like just like Barca Inter इसमें भी थोड़ा luck वाला factor रह गया कि like they just couldn't score the first goal क्योंकि अगर if they had scored the first goal away at PSG even though PSG have all these like great players up front,
great
मुझे
wingers.
लग रहा
I
है
mean,
that
this is
would
a
have been a
team of
different game.
wingers,
Like,
bhai.
Yeah. Yeah, it changes the dynamics of the game completely एकदम.
हाँ,
1-1 होने के बाद मतलब PSG might have been at the back foot Arsenal में और ज़्यादा motivation आ जाती to press
In
more
fact,
to go for it.
in fact, PSG did start feeling the jitters a bit after Saka scored. I think they
Saka's
were reminded of their remontada with Barca.
yeah.
I think only Marquinhos is the surviving player from that, but more recently, the match with Real, right, in which Donnarumma had a day to forget. Uh, from like I think they were 2 goals ahead to suddenly conceding 3 goals within 10-11 minutes was. I mean, you would
Yeah.
be shattered after that, and I think there were flashbacks of that. Even the commentators did mention it in between, and they were a bit shaky for like 10 minutes. But I think PSG ended the match on a much positive. Uh,
I think PSG always looked in cruise control of the
yeah,
game. I won't lie. They looked like a side who knew how to manage a game after they've taken the lead. They even after Saka said, I think अभिराम ने मेरे को बोला था ग्रुप पे कि a goal little too late. मेरे को लगा था यार 14 मिनट हैं. Stuff happens. मेरे को बिल्कुल लग रहा था Arsenal would. But the way PSG managed the game after conceding that goal, I think
bhai, in fact, Saka got a chance just like 5 minutes within his
yeah,
scoring the first goal. Na कि Donnarumma missed it.
yeah,
It was a clean open net पे goal था. So if that would have gone in, it would have been 1-2, and on aggregate they would have been equal. So the
yeah.
match would have been completely different from there. The way
Very different.
their fullbacks were like becoming literal center forwards in the other half, I think they wouldn't be able to do that when if the aggregate was 2-2.
That is true. That is true. And fullbacks, by the way, PSG ke fullbacks. Thoughts on Hakimi? I mean, this guy turns up. This guy really
Yeah,
shows up in
I
matches.
every time he plays, I feel a bit of like गिल्ट तो नहीं कहूँगा लाइक मेरे को फोमो होता है कि इसको क्यों नहीं रख पाए लाइक आई थिंक इफ कारवाहाल वाज नॉट देयर विद अस ही देयर वाज नो वे Madrid was leaving this guy, right? But
Yeah.
there's also this problem at that point. I think he was a bit lacking defensively. He was a bit of a Vasquez, a better Vasquez, but yeah, now Hakimi is a very complete right back.
Like
Rather,
for the second goal, वो
Yeah.
लेफ्ट विंग से आके कट इन करके शूट कर रहा है
Oh my God.
मतलब ऐसे ही नहीं कि लाइक लेफ्ट विंग से आ रहा है बट इन द सेंस दैट वो थोड़ा लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द बॉक्स से आके कट इन करके शूट कर रहा है मतलब थोड़ा मिस्टेक था पार्टे का बट एक राइट बैक ये सब कर रहा है तो लाइक you have to know like yeah he's
Bhai,
really
and the
really good.
finish, he perfectly places in the right bottom corner. Oh my God.
What a finish.
And
What a finish.
and
मतलब
उसने
finesse.
उसने शील्ड भी किया भाई उसको डिफेंडर के सामने से शील्ड करके शॉट आई मीन
it's just it was actually fun. PSG as a side they've changed from the past few years. वो reputation उनकी जो गंदी सी थी, it's come down. I think fan base maybe I see neutral fan base में पहले तो बहुत hate होता था. The hate has come down because they've actually developed their team from grounds up. Doué को खिलाना, बारकोला को खिलाना, Fabian Ruiz, Hakimi, players that actually feel like now they belong to Pahi. So
believe it or
it's been quite
not,
good.
half of the hate was gone after Neymar left. Uh, it's I don't know if it's like a correlation, but it's true. I think the 222 million transfer clause was something which the entire world saw like किसी ने नहीं सोचा था कि कोई ऐसा भी कर देगा लाइक बारसा व्हेन दे सेट अ रिलीज क्लॉज ऑफ 222 मिलियन दे थॉट कि कौन ही माइकला लाएगा आके 222 मिलियन देगा बट that was ground breaking and that तो उस जगह से and when they were like blindly just signing anybody wherever they were in the career beat Messi Ramos Mbappe को तो चलो उसने काफ़ी young में खरीदा था but yeah so and I think the PSG Ultras have also turned up now properly they are filling in stadiums they are like you see them traveling for away games as well now I think the बीच में द PSG अल्ट्राज वेर अ बिट एब्सेंट तो काफ़ी आपके सिटी के फैन बेस के इन्वॉल्वमेंट पे भी डिपेंड करता है कि क्या एटमॉस्फेयर बन रहा है उस टीम का जो कि अभी तक सिटी के लिए नहीं हुई है बट या
This this is exactly how I felt. What was it? Suicide ball for you, Abhiram Hansi Flick?
नहीं मतलब अभी पेप बॉल कार्लो लाइक फ्रेंडशिप बॉल और अभी लाइक दिस इज आवर बॉल राइट सुइसाइड बॉल लाइक हमारे लिए हम लाइक मुझे तो सुइसाइड करने का मन होता है और तुम लोग को लाइक दिस इज द बेस्ट फुटबॉल यू हैव सीन लाइक हाँ क्या ही बोल सकते हैं लाइक एंड दिस इज कंप्लीटली ट्रू लाइक मैं खुद ही सो रहा था आर्सेनल का गेम देखते हुए लाइक थोड़ा लाइक मुझे लग रहा था कि साका के अलावा कोई है ही नहीं वहाँ पे और
Yeah.
कुछ हो ही नहीं रहा वहाँ पे
Martinelli was in the game, but still he keeps missing chances. यार मतलब yeah, if you put in a better winger who finishes chances, I think Arsenal win that game. But Martinelli, yeah, fuck. But
even
yeah,
Saka
Arsenal gives
missed a lot of
content, yeah.
chances मतलब
This is we've seen Milan. This is PSG. This is Paris after they beat Arsenal. This,
अरे मतलब यही पहले मिसिंग था फ्रॉम PSG आई मीन द सोल wasn't there it was just a propaganda club
अब शायद 16 आ गया है। मेरे यहाँ पे इतने फ्रेंच दोस्त है एलबीएस में एंड एवरीवन 300 पैशनेट एंड दे वर लाइक कि पेरिस की मार्च उठ गई थी आफ्टर दे बीट आर्सेनल एंड when they win in Munich it's gonna be like Paris is going to come at a standstill एकदम मतलब no one is going to be able to go out without getting massacred by football PSG fans and ठीक है अच्छा लगता है यार देख के मतलब to see a city turn up like that जब इतने बड़े बड़े मैचेस जीतते हो तुम that's why we love football but this reminds me of Sunny
Oh shit.
इतना सब देख के इतना सब कुछ देख के तुम सेमीफाइनल में पहुंचे और फिर इतना अच्छा खेल के रियाल को 3-0
After
हरा
beating
के
Madrid, yaar, you played Arsenal played their two best matches of their life, and then they were like कि हो गया भाई हमारा खत्म है इसके बाद.
वो कहीं कहीं लगता है लाइक आई गेस इट्स नॉट अ बिग अचीवमेंट आइदर रियल को इस साल बीट
इस
करना
साल बीट करना या मतलब
हाँ
फिर भी it's like beating Real in Champions League. It's
Arsenal beat Real any time that still feels like a gigantic mountain to climb but
हाँ
do
यार.
you guys remember Sunny's outburst in the group and from where he fell down
If someone told me last season that this was gonna happen, I would have said probably in some parallel universe or something. But
that is true Make of plans. पड़ेगा. But यार moving on to more memes Lautaro Martinez ये this save
this one, yaar.
oh
Bruh, to be honest, there's one save in the other match as well. Ian Sommer versus Lamine bhai. Oh my god. भाई मुझे तो literally real time में लगा वो post पे लगा होगा. Then when the replay came about, I was like, fuck, this guy saved it.
Sommer के फिर पोस्ट पे लगा था यार I'm pretty sure Sommer नहीं होता तो it would have been Barca would have run through
And like Shaurya, we were discussing we were watching the stream together and we were discussing ki how the fuck does Lamine do this? Like he has short steps and that short steps he generates so much power on the ball and the placement and the curl all together. It's like
yes
लाइक वो बैकलिफ्ट के बिना लाइक
back, हाँ.
exactly
थोड़े गोल्स होते हैं जो लाइक यू नीड लाइक तुम्हारे पास बहुत टाइम होता है 2-3 शॉट्स थे ऐसे लाइक अवे लग में कि लाइक देयर वर 2-3 डिफेंडर्स अराउंड हिम कोई टाइम नहीं था ही जस्ट हैड टू टेक दैट शॉट विद इन अ लाइक बहुत कम टाइम एंड स्टिल टॉप कॉर्नर में जा रहा था एंड समर वाज मेकिंग दोस like crazy saves and all.
और वो भी कि the way Lamine hits it, right? You're not, first of all, you're not expecting it, and secondly, it comes from like behind some defender और किसी defender के मतलब you don't see him hitting it. मतलब Sommer के एंगल से दिख रहा है कि like बॉल निकल डिफेंडर को निकलने के बाद and then he's diving and saving it. It's like
I don't know
Man
कैसे
of the
Lamine
match, man.
generates so much power behind his shot without actually having so much time because he never has so much time because he's always been surrounded by defenders
Yup,
but his
yup.
close control and his shooting technique is just insane. I've never actually seen something like this. Even if you see Saka he has great ball hitting technique like हमने जो अभी देखा finesse but he
He takes a
always has
backlift.
that kind of he generates that kind of space for him to take that shot. Lamine के साथ I don't see him in that huge amounts of space and still he's able to curl that, finesse that, and it's just
I think
amazing.
the
Abhiram, would you
first-
say that Lamine has been your best player this season?
No, he's the most fashionable player. I'd still go with Pedri. I'm a Pedri Paglu.
Pedri Paglu is a good name.
यार fashionable
enough.
तो ठीक है, there are a lot of houses of fashion.
Fashionable. I mean, he can be dumb fashionable after captioning it now like this as well. that was that was bloody insane. ये बहन का लोड़ा तो जहाँ दिख जाता है गुस्सा लगाता है मेरे को.
Bhai, he
जब भी
might be,
आता
he might not be wrong. You don't know yet. I saw the league games
So
this
fucking
week.
shit.
Okay, yeah, let's watch it.
This is unacceptable. Honestly, we should rename this club to Brexit FC because tonight we have fucked the Champions League and left Europe. Tonight we were so shit. We were not good enough to do the remontada. We were only good enough to do the Ramon recharge. The shit club should just convert the trophy cabinet to an Airbnb. Because let's be honest, no trophy is moving in there anytime soon. The prophecy lives on. We could.
यार ये बंदा मतलब इतना चूतिया. फक यार कैसे हो सकता है कोई इतना ज्यादा कॉकी बास्टर्ड. फक. नो कमेंट्स ऑन आर्टेटा. बहुत पिछले स्ट्रीम में हमने बहुत गांड मारी थी उसकी. आई थिंक इट इज टाइम टू
I think Arteta की गांड लिवरपूल फैंस ने
ओह. मैन यूनाइटेड एथलेटिक बार में बैठ के देख रहा था मैं प्रॉपर. एंड लंदन के बार में देर वर अराउंड 100 यूनाइटेड फैंस एंड 2 बिलबाओ फैंस. दे केम. बिलबाओ फैंस ने पूरा जग भर के बियर लिया है हाइनेकेन एंड टू वॉच दैट. फक ऑफ. दिस वाज आवर नाइट. आई मीन तुम आप में से किसी ने दोनों ने मैच देखा था क्या?
मैंने सेकंड हाफ से देखा था एंड आई हर्ड फर्स्ट हाफ
Second half.
बिलबाओ ने डोमिनेट किया था.
काइंड ऑफ. तूने देखा था?
मैं स्पर्स बोरो देख रहा था. ऑफ कोर्स मैंने दोनों नहीं देखे.
See, I was a lucky charm for you guys. मैंने मैच खोला और मेसन माउंट scored. So I watched right from the time United started dominating. So
या
yeah, but yeah, Mason Mount, what a match. What a comeback. I mean, but then वीकेंड पे लीग मैच में उसने हक दिया था फिर से, तो फिर yeah, so
Sure, you deserve to speak here. Sure, you deserve to speak. Like,
हाँ हाँ
tell
get it
me,
out
like,
यार.
क्या चलता रहता है. लाइक वीकेंड पे दारू पी के ये सो जाते हैं या लाइक मिड वीक में लाइक यूसीएल देख के उठ जाता है इनका. लाइक क्या चलता है इनका.
UEL bro.
नहीं यूसीएल देख के उठ गया. नहीं
अच्छा
UCL
UCL देख के उठ जाता है फिर. हाँ they think कि हाँ ठीक है.
भाई मैं honestly I can't figure out. I think no United fan can figure out what's happening. The divide between Premier League, domestic, and Europe is just insane. To be 17th, to be fucking 16th and 17th. I'm talking about both United and Spurs. And ये मतलब यार ये क्या है रोना आता है यार मेरे को ये देख के. 16th यार मतलब fuck.
Based on league positions, I think this would be the worst final in any kind of European competition ever.
Worst final if you're talking in terms of
League positions, yeah.
Yeah, in terms of Premier League, if you're talking, yes, or the Finnish and domestic league, but we have been, I won't lie, we have been actually good. काफी ज़्यादा अच्छे रहे हम यूरोपा में. तो I won't lie, we have had a very traumatic season.
Did you
but
beat any
Europa
English side in the Europa?
Any good side?
Any English
I
side?
mean,
Any English side? Not.
English?
हाँ क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि यूनाइटेड को इंग्लिश साइड देख के खेलने का मन नहीं करता होगा.
यार ये तो हमारा स्पेन के साथ रहता था, but we still beat Bilbao, sorry.
कोई टीम्स थे ना यूरोपा में इंग्लिश.
हम और स्पर्स. हाँ think हम ही दो थे और
तो दिस इज योर फर्स्ट चैलेंज. देख लो शायद फाइनल में जाके देखा कि अरे इंग्लैंड की टीम है, फिर से हो गया. प्रीमियर लीग फॉर्म रिटर्न्स and same for Tottenham. It's gonna be
मतलब यार हाँ I agree. मतलब it's weird but ठीक है, we are the only unbeaten team in Europe at this point, so I take full pride in that and hopefully ये continue रहे. मतलब स्पर्स से हारना, आप स्पर्स मतलब पिछली बार हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे, फिर हमने ये बोला कि
I saw that.
if Spurs are,
delete
do you
club.
remember what you said?
लाइक तुम्हें तो डिलीट करना चाहिए. मैं लाइक शौर्य इज फिनिश्ड. शौर्य विल बी फिनिश्ड बट लाइक हाँ कोई पॉइंट नहीं बनता फिर नेक्स्ट सीजन. आई गेस you'll नीड अ बिग सेल. लाइक मैं सुन रहा था ब्रूनो टू अल इत्तिहाद और समथिंग. तो लाइक तो अगर ये नहीं होता है तो लाइक यू जस्ट डोंट हैव एनी बजट. लाइक चैंपियंस लीग चाहिए एंड चैंपियंस लीग नहीं है तो नीड अ बिग सेल.
Yeah.
तो बिग सेल लाइक मैं सुना कि ब्रूनो टू अल इत्तिहाद फॉर अराउंड 100 or 120
Yeah,
It
fair.
was Bruno. It fucks up our whole team. I think Bruno is worth 4 players in our team.
No, but he's 31. तो मतलब if you spend around 120 and let's say कुछ और 80
But
100
why
mil
do I feel
from
कि
before.
Bruno is rated by only United people?
हाँ मतलब वही उसको रिप्लेस करने के लिए like if you need around 220 mil and you need to build a whole team without him like वही if he goes maybe then तुम्हारे पास पैसे मिलेंगे like I guess Rashford will also leave like ज़्यादा पैसे नहीं आएंगे 40-50 mil उससे ज़्यादा.
Anthony is one other prospect, especially given his performances at Betis. Now I think he can be a good
But
sell
do
as
you
well
think
because I
he'll
don't
want
see.
to come back to United after seeing that he's doing better outside United?
Exactly. I mean, वो PL versus La Liga वाला point आ जाता है कि he's been doing so good in La Liga, PL में नहीं हो पाया and we've seen this with so many players to be honest. और वो एंटनी को अगर बेच दो और अगर वापस ले आओ तो वो नहीं कर पाएगा. मेरे को पता है वो नहीं कर पाएगा because he get acres of space in La Liga. You never get that acres of space in Premier League. It's just not happening.
I guess
But
player पे dependent है like Eden Hazard was so good in the Premier League and he just was finished in La
I
Liga.
think a lot of it is dependent on his injuries as well. For
वही बोल रहा
हाँ,
हूँ. It's
ईडन
very
हज़ार्ड
different.
वाला
Like, very
काफ़ी
different.
डिफरेंट केस स्टडी है. पर हाँ, there were Premier League players before as well who came to La Liga and didn't really do that well. Michael Owen को ले लो. फिर
David Beckham.
Beckham did well. I mean, Beckham was not
Beckham
bad,
was not at the level what he was in United. Definitely not.
but he was aging
never-
as well. I mean, but Beckham was good. There was no complaint with Beckham like underperforming at Real, I think. But
No, he was good. But
हाँ,
I still feel
Michael Essien को लाया था Mourinho. He didn't
Yeah.
do well at all. But that's not the point. The point is कि काफ़ी with the for some players the team's philosophy, how the team plays is also matters. Like if you're thinking of Betis now, they're trying to move the ball to the wings to take it forward. उसको ज़्यादा चांस मिल रहा है खेलने का. If you, in United see everything tries to go through Bruno because obviously he's the main man there, but somewhere that also takes away the game from others as well. So there's those factors.
I don't want Bruno to leave because more than just money, Bruno is the one player that actually, symbolizes what United stands for. What he has that passion. He is a captain. He has that passion. He has, of course, great playmaking skills and everything. But he brings that passion and he inspires players around him. Just like what I feel with Casemiro at United, brings that passion, brings that experience. Bruno brings that experience. You can always rely on Bruno for find a solution. So, yeah, I don't know. But yeah, I
Would
hope
you
he
have
don't
said
sell.
the same about Casemiro at the start of the season?
No, Casemiro was definitely not at this point where he is right now at the start of the season. But now, in the second half of the season, he's showed up, he's turned up, and he's one of the few players जो कुछ कर रहा है हमारे club के लिए. It feels like he's playing. He's been man of the match for me past 2 matches. But yeah, I'm looking forward to United Tottenham more than anything else
Yeah,
right
but
now in my entire life.
I saw both the matches at the weekend. I thought United played bad. Then I saw Tottenham. I was like, bro, they're worse. Throughout the first half, they didn't have one shot on Crystal Palace.
I mean, there's a reason why Tottenham are below us. And
To be fair, Crystal Palace have the best away record defensively. So,
really? Oh wow.
yeah.
That is amazing. But
Where's Palace now?
I've always seen this contrast. Tottenham are the only side जो एकदम bottom half में which have a positive goal difference at 4. United have -11 and are still 1 point above.
Tottenham are somehow defending better than you, or
शायद United का positive GD like 2019 से नहीं है.
bruh,
For
you guys
real?
are scoring less.
Yeah.
You've just scored 42 goals in the entire season.
Yeah. I think a problem is not the defense. Problem has
Yeah.
definitely been more on the goal scored side. Like it's literally 42 goals scored for us, and Liverpool have scored 83. I mean that's the kind of gulf we are facing. We don't finish our chances.
You
enough
don't get
about
chances
United.
only.
I mean, we're gonna move on to some memes and
Finishing is a different aspect. You don't get chances only.
Big Ange.
Big Ange
Listen,
came.
I don't usually win things, I always win things in the city. It's strange.
Oh yeah,
He
sure.
always wins things. He always wins things in his second year.
He still might be true.
I mean, I don't think his Spurs are
If
going
he
to.
wins Spurs a trophy, I guess he's cemented as the best, like one of the greatest managers in their history and probably like football history. Because if you win a trophy
If you
with
win a
Spurs,
trophy with
that's
Spurs, it's like, oh my god. He's gonna get his statue, yeah. I mean,
I
the
mean,
special one couldn't do it. Like I mean,
special one couldn't do it, bro. Pochettino couldn't do it.
bro, Special One
It's
has won a
crazy.
trophy with I think every club he has managed, except I think now I don't know what he'll do with Fernaba United Europa, right?
before
Yeah.
before Spurs.
Before Spurs. I mean, he
उसके
went
बाद
from
भी एक
उसके
जगह
बाद
भी
भी
नहीं
he
मिला
went to
शायद.
Roma, right?
हाँ रोमा में शायद
Roma में he
नहीं
won
जीता.
conference, right? So he won
He
something.
won conference. He won conference
So
with
it's
Roma.
just Spurs that this. Abhi, I think he's at Besiktas या
Fenerbahce.
Fenerbahce. हाँ.
Fenerbahce.
I think he's not gonna win something there, so who knows. But yeah,
अभी तो एक साल
Spurs winning a trophy with Spurs. Um, Harry Kane couldn't do it ever. He went to Bayern and got himself some trophies. Yeah.
Ah,
To cancel a hotel room, please. Reason? Just put Donnarumma. Okay, put over ambition? You change mind, yeah, change mind. What do you mean it's non-refundable? You're penalising a man for daring to dream here. It's a basic human right. Arteta's only been in the job 6 years. You can't work miracles overnight. We're the best team in the competition. That's not football. If Thomas Edison failed to invent the light bulb after just 6 years, you'd penalise him too, would you? Yeah, I am comparing the two. Both geniuses in their own fields. Okay, yeah, alright, give me another fight in hotel. That's fine, where? Bilbao. Cough. Actually, no, I'll take it. That could be funny.
did you get the Edison wala reference?
Arteta.
Arteta, that Edison Valley speech was, we got to play like a team, guys, like a bulb. You see, the switch on, you connect as a team, and then he goes on and switches a bulb in front of.
He takes two wires, and I was like, what is this guy doing?
Oh,
Sandeep
Thomas
Maheshwari
Edison
light.
invented the light bulb, guys. Come to the stadium, everyone, guys. Come, bring your wife, guys.
we'll दिखा दो फिर से दिखा दो ये वाला ये that this one right यही है ना?
Come on, guys. We need you to bring your shin pad, guys. We need you to bring your boot, guys. We need you to bring everything, guys. Bring your drum, bring your wife, bring your children, bring your grandfather, your grandmother. Bring everything, guys. For what? To get fucking embarrassed. To get embarrassed, blood. Yeah?
यार
Somewhere it
incredible.
feels Arsenal fans deserve it as well. Like,
Yeah, I mean, we have Sunny to prove that. So yeah.
तो प्रीमियर लीग के बारे में बात करते हैं तो वी हैव टू स्टार्ट विद द चैंपियंस लाइक लिवरपूल. लाइक दे प्लेड अ गेम आर्सेनल.
Yeah.
मतलब उतना कुछ बढ़िया गेम नहीं था. दे वर 2-0 अप एंड देन आर्सेनल केम बैक स्ट्रांग एंड 2-2 हो गया था. बट द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग अबाउट द गेम वाज लाइक 70th मिनट में ट्रेंट केम ऑन. Like here, Shaurya and I have differing opinions here. Like I am
Wow.
Yeah, I have a completely different opinion from Shaurya. I think whatever Liverpool fans are doing online and at Anfield, that was completely justified. I mean, I'm okay with it if they want to boo them. I don't really have a thing I could say, okay, that's something wrong or something. But यहाँ पे ऐसे है कि like he was there since like 20 years. I think it's been 20 years he's there. And एक साल पहले they wanted to like extend his contract as well as Real ने offer भी किया था कि like I guess 6 months ago Real offered 20 mil to Liverpool.
Yeah,
But
I
of
think
course,
they Real once offered Trent in the मतलब mid season में offer कर दिया था कि
हाँ जैन में ऑफर किए थे कि लाइक कार्वाहाल इंजरी एंड देन
yep.
उनको
Also
चाहिए था
not to take
बट
any
दे
chances, right?
डिक्लाइंड इट एंड इट मेड सेंस बिकॉज लिवरपूल वर इन चैंपियंस लीग प्रीमियर लीग एंड लाइक सब कुछ सो दे डिडंट वांट टू सेल हिम एंड इट वाज द राइट डिसीजन they still wanted to extend his contract, right? Like Salah ne, Virgil ne kiya, and on higher wages, of course, and they would have offered Trent as well, fairly high wage, but like Trent chose not to extend, and ऐसे है कि एक साल से यही चल रहा है कि Real wanted him and he kept budging, like he kept negotiating and he didn't want to really extend, and then in the end he left and वो जो वीडियो भी था जो उसने रिलीज किया आई डोंट थिंक दैट वाज रियली फ्रॉम हार्ट लाइक वो हार्टफेल्ट नहीं लगा मुझे तो लाइक यू कैन
on.
से हाँ
He just
मतलब
wants to
वीडियो में
come
क्या
to
ही दिखेगा
Madrid,
बट
guys. Come on.
he just
Happens to the best of the
somewhere I
players.
felt like footballers are just sometimes a few of them are just mercenaries and they can do whatever they like. Of course, they earn loads of money and they play football, but I don't think they love the football clubs as much as the fans do. Like for example, I'd feel a lot personal if some from my own academy left, but maybe that player might not feel that way.
I mean, you guys have
I think
done Figo, who's not even from your academy, and yeah. So it's completely justified for you guys to feel that.
But I mean, yeah, I get Abraham ka point on Trent. My point being, Trent has given it his all. He's been here 20 years. He's given everything to the club and he wants to move on to a bigger club. I mean, yeah, Liverpool are winning the Premier League. He's won everything. It's not, let's not be delusional and say that Trent wasn't an integral part. Trent was probably the part, one of the very few important players that won Liverpool what all they've won in the past 5, 6 years, 7 years. He's won the Champions League, Premier League, Academy से रहा है 20 साल रहा है तो he deserves to move on and he's run down his contract मतलब उसने पूरा contract he saw out his entire contract you see it in terms of कि I get your point कि उसने contract run down कर दिया he could have left earlier extended his contract but for me it's like he's given it his all and he has stuck to what the contract was I mean contract था जितने साल का उसने पूरा खेला उतना साल रहा वो लिवरपूल पे and he is at the prime and one of the few points that I think people misses कि Real might not come back for him again.
Yeah, they didn't
So
come back for the Haya. They didn't come back for Reece James.
yeah, Real are not a club that is going to wait for players. You have to wait for Real to give you that offer and you have to take it.
Also, I
I
don't.
think मतलब yeah.
ये point मतलब क्या है कि you have to leave the club back some money by getting a transfer fee मतलब isn't it like better he's run down his contract, he's seen it out and he's like कि okay, this is the end of this chapter and I'm going
I don't
somewhere
think
else.
how is it better anyway like how is it better if you like leave on a free like ऐसे like Phil Coutinho जो किया and like whatever you do if you do want to leave and against the will of the club I guess the least you could do is at least give them a bit of exchange, right? उनको थोड़ा at least pass because Trent is not Harvey Elliott or Trent is not Curtis Jones where they're not worth more than 30-40 million, right? Trent is easily worth at his best 80, 90, 100 mil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So he's depriving them of whatever that is because he's going on a free. मतलब वो 1 year ago भी he could have done that.
But that's what Real has been doing for the last few years, right?
Like the Real are like if you want me to talk about Real, I just like gali hai तो I just don't get into it.
But it's good business
Real do
from
it a
their
lot.
side. I mean,
They are like
Mbappe के साथ भी same किया.
it's good business
like
from their side. You can't blame them. I mean, if the player wants to
Yeah.
come on a free transfer, they'll always.
नहीं वो 6 महीने के पहले से कर सकते हैं. I guess that's even
Yeah.
यही
When 6
rule है.
months are left, you can already
Liverpool-
agree terms. But
Trent should have extended his contract. That's what you're saying.
नहीं मैं बोल रहा हूँ if Trent really wanted to leave, maybe he could have signed a 2 year extension and then left this year or next year.
then maybe Real
But
wouldn't have bought him.
नहीं वही if Real really believe he's such a great talent, and if Trent believes, Real believes so, maybe then Real will
I
actually pay
think
something, right?
I think
Like
Real
वही
told him
He's
कि
शायद
we
उसकी
are gonna
devaluation value है उसके बाद
we're gonna
से
try to
अगर
get
if he
you on
doesn't
free
perform at the
only.
same level
हाँ
next
वही
year.
like अभी भी like it's not like he'll walk into like great situation at Real, right? अभी भी Real is struggling defensively, and somehow
Trent is
they
not the
thought
solution also.
Trent
Real sorry, Trent is the solution. Like
getting Trent to fix your defense sure.
Yeah, I was like कि that was the point I was coming to कि like I think Real wouldn't have bought him if he wasn't on a free because he's not solving the problem, and I think
Yeah.
so like they don't rate him enough to pay for him, right? वो मेरा point है. I guess this is still like completely open. Like
but with
Real,
Javi coming in, I think there's a chance of him playing if we play three at the back. But for that, first of all we need three proper defenders at the back.
वो
So
तो है नहीं
हाँ,
मतलब
so
like
we are gonna play Raul Asensio.
they're moving on to
Rudiger is
Real's defense. So कल के
oh my
परसों
god,
के game के बारे में
it
भी
was
discuss
so.
करेंगे.
We'll come to that. I don't want to come to
I
it so
think
early,
we
but
should
yeah.
do that now. And
We have to go into that.
4-3. 4-3.
4-3.
I didn't watch the match, but you guys take it over.
Uh,
23-9. I mean, that's
So-
what I see.
So first 20 minutes, I don't think like Real didn't dominate it, but the clearer chances fell to Real. They took it. I think even if you see shots by both teams, if you see the percentage, Real was converting more. See, like there's a big parity. I think at one point Real had 3 shots and 3 were like 4 shots and 3 were goals. So
हाँ क्योंकि हम हाईलाइट खेलेंगे तो
हाँ।
obviously 1-1 हो जाओगे.
So, yeah, we took the chances initially. There, I think there is one debate over the first goal, yeah, first या second goal, the one which Mbappe scored from like जो open goal था Mbappe का first या second goal जो भी था,
Second goal.
हाँ second वाला था, उस पे लमीन के ऊपर टैप तो था वेलवर्डे का, but I don't know, they probably don't want to run it back till then, but anyways, leaving that, after that, how Lamine played, oh my god. Lamine was just giving nightmares, and Fran Garcia, you have to pity for him, yaar. He just had it, and with Asensio generally played his the entire season on the right side of the defense, and him having to cover on the left side with Rudiger's absence. Rudiger's absence was very evident, very, very, very evident. Uh, Rudiger's absence also meant we had to play Lucas Vasquez. I'm like, he's a it's such a uncomfortable place for a person who's been supporting Real for like more than 10 years, because I've seen Lucas Vasquez play. He's not that bad a player. He's a good rotation. He was a good rotation player, but he's not a right back. He's not a defender. It worked for 1 year. It can't work every year.
Like मैं अपने perspective से बोलूँ तो like even when we were 2-0 down, I just had something that I saw that Real Madrid backline and I thought we can't be not scoring against this. Like इनके against तो goal नहीं मारना, like we can like ऐसे नहीं हो सकता. So like we somehow in the back of the mind, अगर हम 2-0 back से कभी comeback करना है तो आज ही करना है. Like अगर आज नहीं करना है तो कब करना है?
जो टीम इंटर के अगेंस्ट 3 गोल मार गई वो रियल के अगेंस्ट तो मारेगी.
तो इस डिफेंस लाइन के अगेंस्ट तो अगर मारना ही है, like we've been scoring like three goals a game for fun.
I'm
like,
more
ये
shocked
defense
how
देख के
did
तो, like, कोई
Real
भी मारेगा.
score. I was more shocked how did Real score 3 goals against Barca. And
नहीं वो तो point, वो तो suicide ball. We have a name for it, right?
you एक बार अगर बैकलाइन बीट हो गया there's no way
हाँ
of
बस
get हाँ
एक बार अगर मिडफील्ड में बॉल फ्री हो गया, मतलब देयर इज नो मिडफील्डर नियर द अदर गाय, हाँ एक बॉल रिलीज हो जाएगा जो एम्बापे या कोई थ्रू हो जाएगा. And that's what
Vinicius was so bad, man. Vinicius was so bad. I mean,
Vinicius touch, like something like there's something seriously wrong with Vinicius because ever since he did that 10x more, like it's been 10x less to be honest.
100x less.
Yeah.
भाई like literally there were मैं गिना सकता हूँ, there were three chances जिस पे a through ball was played to him and the defense was stretched. Barca defense was completely stretched on all three of those situations. I think three में से two तो complete था, एक थोड़ा ठीक है, एक पे he was wide, but his touches were so bad भाई. His first touch straight gave the ball away to Szczesny, and like on
think-
and on one of them he had Mbappe beside him, and like he went and took the ball ahead of Mbappe. I was like, I was so confident कि the ball is going to Mbappe. I'm like अब तो बंदा दौड़ेगा, and Vinicius comes in and a heavy touch, ball Szczesny के बाद. I'm like,
चेज़नी ये देखा था मैंने. आई थिंक वो गुड टच बैड टच सिखाते हैं ना आजकल स्कूल में, तो गुड बैड टच के लिए आई थिंक विनी का शक्ल दिखानी चाहिए. बैड
यार
टच इज वेरी
that's deep.
I mean, क्या रियल का टर्म टेरिबल सीजन, बट
then उसके बाद
ये टीम
not even the first touches Vinny, मतलब Vinny was so bad. He had 5-6 opportunities where he could have played a pass and the other person was clear on goal without a defender, and three of them were with Mbappe. एक Enrique के साथ भी था, and Carlo Ancelotti even said like he wanted to bring Enrique before, and he wanted to bring him in place of Vinicius, but since Vinicius wasn't wanting to come off, उसको Enrique को बाद में भेजना पड़ा, और वो भी किसी और के जगह पे भेजना पड़ा. And I'm like कि how the fuck is this guy dictating? He's not playing half as decent.
आर्दा ग्यूलर का भी आई थिंक लास्ट में ही हैड वेरी ग्रेट चांस, मतलब it should have been a goal, missed it.
हाँ.
Great chances. I think Real has. Would you agree? Real have had a terrible season.
Yeah, bro. I mean, by Real
So
standards,
Real having
it's
a terrible
terrible.
season and finishing second. United having a terrible season and finishing 16th. That's the kind of a gulf जो clubs के बीच में बना हुआ है.
I mean, if you see points wise as well, right? In 35 matches, 75 points. It's very.
Yeah.
It's not good.
So it's clear कि अब Barca have run away with the title now.
हाँ, Thursday game है.
हाँ यार, यहाँ से अगर bottle कर दिया
Real
फिर
drop
तो
points before then.
हाँ.
तो खेले से पहले ही जीत गए.
जीत जाएगा. So you need to just win one game and you'll win the title, right?
But why do I feel Barca don't want to win the title in the next match? Because they'll not get to celebrate it.
Next match is at Espanyol away.
हाँ, तो you'll not get to celebrate it.
अनपूछ के हारे.
Yeah, Espanyol away, like great opportunity. Like
I mean, you
Gavi
can
had-
rub it in their faces, but you will not be able to use the pitch to celebrate it. It's gonna be a repeat of.
last time you were
हाँ.
hopefully.
Well. I think we've covered a lot today. We've had so much to talk about, and it's been actually amazing.
It's been that
what
kind of a
all
week.
has gone into in this past week of football. I mean, बहुत कुछ. I mean, सच बताऊँ तो overwhelm हो जाता हूँ कई बार. हर चीज, हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ नया मैच है, कोई बंदा ट्रांसफर के लिए वीडियो डाल रहा है, 10 लोग मिलके गांड मार रहे हैं उसकी. So much going on in football past few days, but that's why I think we love this run in, the title run in and Champions League run in the final few months. और जब तक enjoy कर सकते हैं, उसके बाद जब खत्म हो जाएगा it will feel so, एक void बन जाएगा at least मेरे उसमें कि fuck, what is left if not football.
We have the Club World Cup to fill that this time. Yeah.
Club World Cup.
कौन से टाइमिंग्स पे होगा वो भी like बहुत
I think it's.
doubtful है.
हाँ.
I
अरे
don't
यार
even know
US है
if
ना.
It is Europa versus Champions League, right?
नहीं वो UEFA Super Cup.
Super Cup है. So if it happens, so United might play PSG or someone.
नहीं Club World Cup में नहीं है.
नहीं मैं सुपर कप की
वो
बात कर रहा
सुपर कप की बात कर रहा है. अरे वो चैंपियंस
ठीक है,
लीग वाली टीम ही जीतेगी unless you're Chelsea.
नहीं Chelsea won that year, right?
They lost it
Villarreal
some.
के-
एक
हूँ.
कोई एक year they
Super
lost
Cup they
it.
won.
कौन सी year?
Chelsea fans are singing to Arsenal fans. champions of Europe, you'll never sing that. Yeah.
I mean,
नहीं, I guess Spurs could also sing that. Like Europa भी तो like champions of Europe ही है. Like so like that would just be a horrendous season for Arsenal. Like
A Spurs fan mocking an Arsenal fan after this season.
no
Champions
man,
of Europe.
the downfall is real. So from fighting like we'll win the Premier League this year to fighting for a Champions League spot, right? I think they are still not confirmed. Yeah, they're still not confirmed the Champions League spot. It's
That title race, that Champions League race is, by the way, insane.
Insane.
Newcastle is third, City, Chelsea, Aston Villa.
I feel by current form Newcastle is gonna beat Arsenal to second.
Probably. Yeah, I mean, Newcastle are in good form. काफी underrated team, untalked team गई है Newcastle this season.
They won the Carabao, right? This year it's like
Yeah, they won the Carabao.
their Tottenham moment.
actually there are
Incredible.
6 teams in the Champions League next year from England.
6 teams?
Because
Yeah,
through
five
the
places normally
Yeah,
and
United.
one will win.
Yeah, yeah, of
Europa.
course. If कोई भी जीते तो हाँ.
normal.
Wow. I mean, yeah. This country deserves it. After how we did.
फाइनल में कोई नहीं है.
फाइनल हमारे फाइनल में तो है भाई द बेस्ट फाइनल ओ
Aston Villa is
Uh,
gonna probably play it this season. Chalo.
well I think we should end it at this and it's been really fun. It's been really fun. I hope you guys like the second episode. मेरे को पता है कोई बहुत ही वेला बंदा होगा तो पहुंचा होगा इस एंड तक या तो स्किप करते करते पहुंचा होगा एंड तक. कोई झाट नहीं देख रहा हमारे पॉडकास्ट से लास्ट तक. But
नहीं हमें पता चलेगा किसी ने देखा है कि नहीं अगर कोई बोलेगा कि झांट शौर्य सेठ झांट.
If you saw me saying Jhad, mention Jhad in the comments, mention Jhad जहाँ भी तुम मेरे को reply करते हो. Then I'll know you have been a true fan. But no, seriously, this is for us. Watch back after 5 years, 10 years. अपने बच्चों को दिखाते हुए motivation के लिए. Okay, this is what your dad did. So yeah, great podcast, and we'll see you in the next episode. Hopefully very soon. Tada.
Bye.
See you.